Dear veterinarian, welcome to youtube.com Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel. Here we will see 25 short questions in the subject livestock production and management. Question 1. Age of buck used for breeding. Answer is the buck should be used for breeding at the age of 2.5 years. Question 2. Time taken by lamb to stand up after lambing. Answer is the lamb stand up immediately or soon after birth. It will not take much time. Immediately after birth, it will be on the four legs. Question 3. Duration of estrus in rabbit. Answer. The estrus continue for more than 1 month in rabbit. Question 4. Time of ovulation in bitch. Answer. The time of ovulation in bitch is 1 to 2 days after starting of the estrus. Question 5. Schedule of feeding of colostrum to a calf. Very important question because the colostrum provide immunoglobulin and protection against the infectious disease. It is very important question. Answer. Colostrum must be fed within 2 hours after the birth. The quantity of colostrum should be 1 to 1.5 kilogram or 10% of body weight daily in a divided doses, and it should be fed for 5 days. Question 6. Stimulus required for letdown of milk in Indian cattle. The answer is sucking by a calf is required in Indian cattle for letting down of the milk. Most of the cattle let down only after sucking of the calf. Question 7. Reasons for close grazing on a very short grass by a goat. This is a peculiarity of goat because of certain anatomical feature. The answer is the goat prehensive long tongue. So it can hold the grass even if it is short. And other thing is the upper lip is much mobile. So again it will grasp a short grass. Question 8. What is tag in a wool of sheep? The answer is the wool of back, leg and belly is stuck up with the manure of the sheep, and this manure stuck up wool is called as tax. Question 9. What is skirting of wool? Answer. The process of removing the tax from the fleece is called skirting. Question 10. What is the sexual maturity age of a bull? Important question. Answer is 3 year to 3.5 year is the maturity age of a bull. Question 11. Period of calf start sucking the mother after the birth. Answer is the calf start sucking the mother within 1 hour. If it is unable to suck the mother, the owner has to feed the calf colostrum. But colostrum must be fed within first 2 hours. Question 12. Fastest feeding habit of a goat. What is that? Important question. Answer is the goat like clean and fresh feed and like frequent change in the feed also. Goats dislike dirty, wet or foul smelling feed. This is the characteristic of goat. Such habit is called as fastidious feeding habit of goat. Question 13. Which is the milk producing breed of sheep? Answer is Mandya, Malpura and Sonadi breeds are milk producing breeds of the sheep. Question 14. What is nymphomaniac or buller cow? Important question. A cow with an consistent ovarian cyst exhibit a constant estrus. Such cow is called as nymphomaniac cow or a buller cow. Question 15. Name the dual purpose breed of cattle. The dual purpose breed of cattle are Dangi, Haryana and Rathi. These are the important breeds. Question 16. Name the chemical that provide nitrogen to the fodder. Important question. For fodder growing, this is important. Answer: urea provide nitrogen to the fodder. Fertilizer. Question 17. Dry period in buffaloes. Answer is 60 to 90 days of dry period generate buffaloes. Sometimes even longer also. Question 18. What is the utility of black Bengal goat? Answer is the black Bengal goat is important for meat production. Question 19. What is the total number of buffalo breeds in India? Answer: total number of breeds in India of buffalo is 7 breeds. Question 20. Name high nutrient component of legume fodder. Which nutrient? Carbohydrate, protein or fat? Answer is the legume fodder are rich in protein. Question 21. Castrated male cattle more than 2 years of age. Answer is it is called as bullock or steer. Question 22. Proportion of meat production by goat in India. Answer is goat contribute 40% production of meat in India. Question 23. What is the advisable period of breeding of cow after parturition? After parturition, at what time we can breed the cow? Answer is we can provide artificial insemination or natural service or breed the cow 2 months after the parturition. Question 24. What is the fat percentage of a Jersey cow milk? Jersey cow milk has a little bit higher percentage of fat in comparison to other exotic breed. The fat percent is 5.5%. Last question. Name the dual purpose breed of sheep in India. Answer is Corriedale sheep, for production, for dual purpose, for the wool as well as meat purpose. So it is a dual purpose breed. Dear veterinarian, requested to share this information to the other veterinarian who is require this information. Requested to subscribe this channel for support and for promotion. Thank you very much for observing this video.